Alright guys, we are at the house, so we're going to take a walk through real quick. Let's see if I can make it past all this stuff and not fall on my face. So this is the front entry hallway. This is going to be the entrance. This will be the Jack and Jill bathroom. They got it all braced until the roof things. And then this will be Thomas's room with an entry. This is his closet. This is kitchen. This will be the little island, I guess, cabinets here. I think the stove is on the island. This is the hallway. This will be a little pantry. Not very big, but it can work.
She's doing that now.
Alright, so here we go.
Yeah.
This is my office. Lord, I think this is one of the bigger rooms. You got to look past all these cross things that they're using. This is the utility room. It has a front window. My office has a window. This will be a guest bathroom. Again, pantry, and this will have access here for the attic. This is our island.
Alright.
So,
Okay.
kitchen, open living room. Another entry to the Jack and Jill bathroom. This will be closet. This is Thomas's room. Sean's room. And then this is the master bedroom. This is our bathroom. I'm crossing under, guys. Which goes into our closet. Wow. Nice. Crossing back over. See, we got two windows in our bedroom. So we have two windows in the master.
1, 2, 3. Show the one when they got a him what house.
So, two windows, back door. We have a window in our bedroom, just no side windows to the side of the house. And then I give you a look from the back way. It's hard to tell without walls, actual walls, but
So this is gonna be your office.
yes. Thomas's room doesn't look as big.
It's the same size.
Is it? It's hard to tell. So he's got a window. I have a window. And I'll give you... So this might be my picture wall. This would be great for pictures because it's a long hallway entrance. This is my front porch. Watch out. Get hubby out the way. And then this will be the entrance from the front. So so that'll be the laundry room, which takes part of the front porch. And then here. And then we'll have a side entrance on the porch because the ramp will be here on the side.
Somebody must have came to sweep all my dust out of my house.
Yeah. My husband said he was coming to sweep out the dust, but there is water.
Boy, it rained.
I know it rained.
Boy, it's gonna have water. Ain't nothing to
You
stop
better
it.
sweep that water from sitting there. So, let me make my way down the stairs. Wish they had windows on the doors. We're gonna have to get us some glass screen doors, the glass doors. or something. So that's it, guys. So that was the walk through to the house. So I will see you later. We were off to church, and then who knows, I might be back later. Bye, guys.